Advancement in current vaccine technology is needed to help prevent Lyme disease in the 21st century. Multiple sources note that the prevalence of Lyme disease continues to increase as Ixodes ticks spread across the nation and into our backyards. These ticks carry the bacterium Borrelia burgdorferi, the causative agent of Lyme disease. Deer, mice, birds, and other mammals can transport Ixodes ticks, which allow them to be found in many places, including our lush lawns. The tick's ability to find hosts and mobilize can expose all family members, including our canine friends, to this vector-borne disease. After the tick makes contact with the dog, it moves with ease through the dog's coat. The Lyme disease-causing bacteria are located in the gut of the tick at the start of the blood meal. At this time, the bacteria are expressing a distinct protein called outer surface protein A, or OSP-A for short. As the tick begins to ingest blood from its host, the associated rise in temperature and change in pH causes the downregulation of OSP-A expression and the upregulation of a different outer surface protein called OSP-C. At this point, the spirochetes begin to move from the gut to the salivary gland, which can ultimately allow them to enter the dog. We're fortunate we can help protect dogs from the potentially devastating consequences of infection with Borrelia burgdorferi. The intent of vaccinating a dog for Lyme disease is to generate antibody responses against the outer surface proteins expressed on the spirochete bacteria. However, the capability to generate an immune response to the outer surface proteins differs among commercially available vaccines. The primary purpose of developing an immune response against OSP-A is to kill the Lyme disease-causing spirochete in the tick. This is an ideal situation as it can help prevent the bacteria from entering the dog and can help kill the Borrelia burgdorferi spirochetes while they are still in the tick. However, antibody responses to OSP-A are not always sufficient to help prevent canine infection with Lyme disease. Therefore, it is important that a Lyme disease vaccine will help generate antibody responses to both OSP-A and OSP-C. OSP-C expression starts in the tick and continues as spirochetes prepare to move from the tick into the dog. An antibody response to OSP-C can help kill the spirochetes in the tick and also in the dog. In addition to the fact that the majority of OSP-A expression occurs in the tick and OSP-C expression occurs in the tick and the dog, there is another major difference between these two proteins. In the United States, there appears to be only one type of OSP-A that Borrelia burgdorferi spirochetes express. In stark contrast, Borrelia burgdorferi express a wide variety of OSP-C types, as it is a highly variable protein. Each spirochete will express only one type of OSP-C. However, a tick can contain multiple spirochetes and therefore carry multiple types of OSP-C. Due to the variability that exists with OSP-C, both in ticks and in geographic areas, it has been challenging to consistently generate an effective antibody response until now. Introducing Vanguard crLyme, the first and only chimeric recombinant Lyme disease vaccine that helps elicit a targeted immune response for broad coverage. This next-generation recombinant vaccine helps protect dogs from Lyme disease by promoting an immune response against two of the bacterium's most relevant proteins, OSP-A and OSP-C. Chimeric recombinant technology is an innovative approach to vaccination. This novel technology allows for important immune system stimulating regions from many types of OSP-C to be incorporated into a single protein. Stimulating the immune system to develop a relevant OSP-C response across multiple types has been challenging, because until today, commercially available vaccines have contained at most only one type of OSP-C. The benefit of using chimeric recombinant technology is that it can help provide broad coverage through the incorporation of multiple types of OSP-C antigens relevant to canine Lyme disease infection into a single protein. As it contains antigenic material representing both OSP-A and several types of OSP-C, this vaccine can help to kill Lyme disease-causing bacteria in ticks and in dogs. The use of recombinant technology means that Vanguard crLyme is a low-protein formulation, which can help provide low reactivity. In summary, Vanguard crLyme is a vaccine that can help allow broad protection against multiple outer surface proteins of Borrelia burgdorferi, which can help to block transmission of Lyme disease in the tick and the dog. Vanguard crLyme provides veterinarians with a unique and novel means of safely protecting their canine patients from Lyme disease. Simply put, it's a vaccine like no other. Vanguard crLyme has been demonstrated to be safe and efficacious in dogs. In laboratory and field safety studies, no serious adverse events occurred.